What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. In this video, I'm going to review 3 fragrances from the house of ARABIYAT Prestige. ARABIYAT Prestige is a Middle Eastern house based in UAE, and trust me guys, these people are producing really great products. The blending of their products are really good. You can compare the quality with any big brand out there. Even their presentations are just awesome. So let's start a review, and in this video I'm going to review 3 fragrances from their NYLA lineup. So the first one I'm going to review is NYLA, the original, the OG. The second one I got here is NYLA VANI-ELLE. I don't know why they separated it, but yeah, VANI-ELLE from ARABIYAT Prestige. And the third one is NYLA SUEDE. So let's start with the first one, with the original one. So you will get this perfume in this beautiful solid box. You can see the designing, the box is solid here, the back is golden. You can see here with ingredient details, the logo of ARABIYAT Prestige here, the name of the lineup, NYLA. And once you open the box, here we go. See the bottle. Bottle looks gorgeous. It's so beautiful. It's like a piece of gold here. And then here, the name of the lineup, NYLA, and the official notes breakdown. So this is the box, and now let me show you the bottle. And bottle literally looks something crazy. See? It's pure gold here in my hands, and it gives you that amazing, rich and nice feel. So this was about the presentation, and now let's talk about the fragrance. So let me give you the official note breakdown. So here you will get fruity accords, coconut and peach nectar in the top. In the middle you will get floral accords, and then tiare blossom. This is a flower called tiara or tiare, something like that. It's a white floral. And then in the base you will get sandalwood and heliotrope blossoms. So this is their official notes breakdown, but in reality there are many more things here. They forget to mention the musk here, which is very prominent in the blend. Musk is used like 90% of the fragrances, by the way, maybe more than 90, because musk is a very nice base. So this is a NYLA, the original. And now let me tell you that how this perfume actually smells. So I have this perfume here on this tester strip. I have already written down the review here on my notebook, because I used to record like 8 to 10 reviews in a single day on my Sundays, and then I keep editing them on every alternative day of the week. So I cannot remember all the things. That's why I'm always looking down here in my reviews, because I have all my points and my reviews written down here on my notebook. So here, this is a fruity, floral and musky concoction. It's a feminine scent. For someone like me, it's totally fine. I can rock this perfume easily without any issue. Yes, it's feminine, but it's not that much feminine. So if you are someone who like floral based perfumes, then it will be very easy for you to rock this perfume. It will be easy, there will not be any issue. So it opens up with coconut, some fruits, you will get a lot of peach here, and white florals. They have mentioned tiare in the notes breakdown, but you will get a lot of white florals. I can also smell some jasmine here. So coconut, some fruits like peach, some citruses on the top, which will be there only in the beginning for like 4 to 5 minutes only. So those are just very light top notes. Mainly it's all about coconut, jasmine, some white florals, musk and peach. Simple, clean and elegant. Very easy to wear. And then towards the dry down, it becomes more creamier and more musky kind of scent. So this is about the fragrance. It smells really nice. If you like white florals with some coconut and some beautiful juicy peach, then you are going to love it. So for the performance, this performs in a very nice, moderate to good way. If you are someone who don't like your perfume to be loud, who don't like your perfume to be very strong, if you don't want to bother people around you, mostly in the Western countries, you know, people like to wear light fragrances, then this is something for you. Once you are going to interact with people, if you move very close to them, only then they will be able to smell it. Otherwise, it will be around you, it will stay near to you, and you will be enjoying this perfume. For the longevity, this perfume is going to give you a longevity of like 7 to 8 hours, but it's a light scent, okay? And it may give you olfactory fatigue. So maybe you will not be able to smell it, but people around you will be able to smell this beautiful perfume once you're going to interact with them. So this is the performance you'll get with this perfume. It's light, decent, and not beast, not loud. And if you want to keep your perfume just near to you, you live in that kind of culture, then this will be the best choice for you. And if you like coconut, white florals. So this is NYLA, the original. And now let's jump to the second one, which is NYLA VANI-ELLE. You can see the box here. It's a golden box with this beautiful printing. The full box is golden here. Same ingredient details in the back, the branding of the perfume here, the manufacturing date, etc. So once you open the box, once again, the bottle is golden here, and you can see the interior. The notes breakdown here, the name of the collection NYLA, and another golden bottle. But this is a different kind of gold. The first one was gold with some copper color. This is pure gold. Here you go, just for the reference. This is like little bit reddish, give you that copper gold kind of feel. And here, this is like a true gold color. This is the bottle. The bottle looks really gorgeous, and fragrance is really amazing. So let me give you the notes breakdown, then I will try to tell you that how this one actually smells. So here, as per official notes breakdown, in the top you will get jasmine and vanilla beans. In the middle you will get caramel and amber. In the base you will get musk, tonka beans and vanilla. So you can see a lot of vanilla in the notes breakdown. So this is a perfume made by a perfumer called Elodie Bernard. I'm sure I'm not butchering his name. Elodie Bernard is the perfumer behind this perfume, and this is a perfume which is going to remind you a very famous perfume, which is Bianco Latte. So this is something similar to Bianco Latte, but this is not exact same copy. I can say personally, in my opinion, or as per my taste, this is better than Bianco Latte. I know a lot of ladies, they love Bianco Latte, and especially in the western side, in the US, Europe, girls are crazy about that perfume. But as a man and a region where I live, I prefer this one. This one is, I think, more wearable for me. And even this one smells better as compared to Bianco Latte. Bianco Latte got that very weird skin kind of note in that perfume, which I really don't like, but some people loved it. But for me, this one is much better. So this is once again a very nice and elegant scent based on vanilla. So if you like fragrances based on vanilla, then you are definitely going to love it. So this one opens with powdery, dusty vanilla. It's warm and it's powdery. Then you will get caramel. Caramel is not very sweet, it's not overpowering, but yeah, you will get that caramel kind of vibe here. Then you will get some powdery tonka bean here, and there is a touch of bitterness. Then you will get a very light touch of spicy amber here in this perfume. And then definitely the white musk in the base, but this is not a very strong musky scent. The white musk is not very prominent here. It's all about that powdery vanilla and tonka beans with some caramel. And there is one more thing which is used in this perfume as a base, which is not mentioned in the notes breakdown, but somehow, or maybe it's only me, I can pick some soft suede leather here. It's not that industrial salty leather, but it's just very soft, light suede leather kind of vibe here in the base. So this is how this perfume actually smells. So once again, this is a scent made to be used by women. But if you are someone who like that vanilla based fragrances, you may going to love it. For me, it will be a little bit difficult for me to rock this scent, especially because it's too much feminine. A lot of vanilla, a lot of powderiness. So yeah, this is about the gender. For performance, once again, a very elegant, soft and nice scent. If you work in some corporate office environment where you are not allowed to use a strong scents, then this can be your daily scent, and you will be smelling really nice. People around you will only be able to smell it once you are going to interact with them. So if you like soft scents, you don't want to be very loud, you just want to keep your scent near to you, then you can rock this NYLA VANI-ELLE. And now let's jump to the third one. And here we got NYLA Suede. And this is the rock star. This is something I loved a lot. As per my opinion, this is the best for me. I love this one over the other two. Those two are great. But this is something I really love to wear. This is something I really liked a lot. This is the real gangster. And let me show you the box first. You will get this perfume in this black box. You can see the presentation here. And once you open the box, see that amazing black bottle. This looks really gorgeous and just wow. So this is NYLA Suede. Let me give you the notes breakdown first. In the top you will get basil, cardamom and bergamot. In the middle you will get geranium, lavender and leather. In the base you will get musk, cedarwood and leather once again. So it's a leathery scent. But let me tell you something. First of all, let's talk about the perfumer. The perfumer behind this perfume is Quentin Rossel, if I'm saying it right. Quentin Rossel. You can check the name of the perfumer on Fragrantica, by the way. So this one really is amazing scent. So let me tell you that how this one actually smells. Forget the notes breakdown from the box, and I'm going to tell you that how this one actually smells. So first of all, before we talk about the fragrances, this one is very unique, and I don't know how this perfumer blend all these accords together, because the combination looks really weird. It's really weird. Once I'm going to explain the fragrance, you will know that how weird the combination is, but somehow they blend it beautifully. It's unique, it's dark, it's mysterious, it's elegant, it's just wow. And this one is the rock star. This one is the best of all three, especially if you are a man. You will be loving it. Have a look at the bottle. It looks beautiful, dark, mysterious, and the combination is really strange yet elegant. Imagine a lot of lactanic tones, you know, that milky lactonic vibe mixed with strong salty leather. Then that oceanic salty ambergris. All different things. How you can mix milk with leather. Okay, maybe with leather it might work, but then you add ambergris in it, giving it that salty oceanic vibes. Strange, but somehow it works in an amazing way. So a lot of lactonic tones here mixed with very strong leather and then very strong ambergris, and then some juicy ylang ylang in the base. Yes, it's juicy, fruity ylang ylang in the base. See how weird the combination is, but somehow it works so nice. Imagine if you are standing on a beach and it's a fruit shop, and you are wearing a leather jacket and you are wearing a vanilla based perfume. So that's the vibe you get from this perfume. The smell of ocean, smell of ambergris, then some fruits in the shop, and then the leather coming from your leather jacket, and then some vanilla based perfume on your shirt. So this is the vibe of this beautiful perfume, NYLA Suede. And then after all these things, you will get a chocolatey vibe here in this perfume and beautiful sandalwood in the base, but that phase will be coming in the dry down. So in the opening, it's all about that lactonic milky tones with leather, with ambergris and some juicy ylang ylang. And then in the second phase, you will start to get that beautiful soft sandalwood and with a strong note of chocolate. And then in the final dry down, you will left with the beautiful base of sandalwood with that very nice chocolatey vibe. So this is how this perfume smells, and I think this is the shortest way to explain this perfume. A very complex scent, a dark scent, very strong yet elegant and beautifully done. So this is Suede, NYLA Suede from the house of ARABIYAT Prestige. And now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. If we talk about the performance, this one is the strongest of all. The lasting is, I can say, for one day. It's a strong, it projects loud. The other two are like very elegant and soft kind of scents, but this one is a beast, a true beast. It will project very well, once you are going to interact with people, once you are going to move here and there, people will be able to smell it on you. So performance, great. And if you talk about the gender, this is a unisex scent. Ladies or gents, anyone can wear it easily. But as per my opinion, this is going to work well with men. Even ladies can rock it easily. That's not a thing. And for the age group, you should be a little bit mature. For the other two, there was no issue with the age. But here, you should be a bit mature. So if you are like 22 plus, then you can rock easily for the season or weather. This is a cold season scent. So if you are wearing this perfume in winters, then you will be loving it. For the scenario, for some special scenarios, some special meetings, some parties, clubbing, if you are going for a dinner or going to a club, or if you are going for a date, this will work great. Not a good option for your sports activities and for your gym, of course. So this was about NYLA Suede. And now let's talk about the price. So you will get these fragrances in 80 ml quantity with this beautiful presentation with a perfume concentration. And the current price of these perfumes inside UAE is 120 UAE dirhams each. Each bottle is going to cost you 120 UAE dirhams, but you can wait for some special occasions like UAE National Day or Eid or Ramadan or New Year. At that time, you can easily get like 15 to 20% discount. So this was about the price, 120 dirhams for 80 ml juice. Quality, blending, top notch. Smooth, well blended products, no harsh edges, no cheap feel, nothing at all. Once you're going to use this perfume, you will feel that you are using a very expensive perfume. The blending quality is really nice. So this was my review about the NYLA collection from the house of ARABIYAT Prestige. I hope you liked it. I'm going to catch you in my another review of some another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.